Hello everyone, my name is Raghavendra Pratap Singh. Welcome to Square Root Academy. This video is continuation of linear algebra lecture series. It is lecture number 12.0. Topic is elementary matrices. Basically in this video we are going to see the definition of elementary matrix and few example. Before that I just want to recall the previous class. In previous classes we have seen 5 ways of matrix multiplication. So here I am giving some exercises that you can cross verify. The first exercise, suppose if you have an identity matrix of m cross m order, with this you are multiplying a matrix A of m cross n order, general matrix, then you will get the matrix itself A of m cross n order. Okay, the second exercise you can cross verify. If you have a general matrix A of m cross n order, and with this you are multiplying identity matrix of n cross n order, then again you will get matrix itself, general matrix A of m cross n order. The third exercise is, if you have a zero matrix, so it is not a zero, it is a notation for zero matrix of k cross m order, and with zero matrix of k cross m order, suppose you are multiplying a general matrix A of m cross n order, then you will get zero matrix of k cross n order. And the fourth exercise, suppose you have a general matrix of m cross n order, and this matrix you are multiplying with zero matrix of n cross p order, then you will get a zero matrix of m cross p order. So these are the four exercises. You can cross verify. You go via any way. There were 5 ways of matrix multiplication, so you will get the same answer. Okay, now come to the definition of elementary matrix. Definition says an m cross n matrix is said to be an elementary matrix if it can be obtained from the m cross m identity matrix by means of a single elementary row operation. एक बार इसमें इसका हिंदी में मतलब बता देता हूँ. एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स का क्या मतलब होता है कि हमारे पास अगर कोई आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स है और उस आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स पर अगर हम कोई एक सिंगल एलिमेंट्री ऑपरेशन लगाते हैं तो जो रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स होगी उसको हम एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स बोलेंगे. सो इन माय प्रीवियस क्लासेस वी हैव सीन that we have 3 elementary operation. The first elementary operation was, in ith row I can multiply with any non-zero constant, that k should be non-zero and k belongs to the field in which you are working. The second elementary operation was, the ith row I can replace with ri plus k times rj, and here the condition was I should not equal to j. K can be 0, but if I equal to j, then the second will be nothing but first elementary operation. And third elementary operation was, the ith row we can interchange with jth row. So these are the 3 elementary operations. ठीक है, I hope you got it. For example, we can see with it via one example. Suppose I have identity matrix of 2 cross 2 order, 1 0 0 1. It is identity matrix of 2 cross 2 order, and over this identity matrix I am going to apply one elementary operation. So you can apply first, second, third, any one you can apply, but at a time you have to apply one elementary operation. So suppose I am applying first elementary operation, that r1 changes to r2, third, okay, it is third, r1 changes to r2, r2 changes to r1, right? So what you will get? You will get 0 1 1 0. So this resultant matrix, suppose I am naming it E, will be known as elementary matrix. I hope you got the definition of elementary matrix. Okay, and it is not necessary that only this operation you can apply. Out of these three you can apply any one. So suppose I am applying the second one, r1 changes to r1 plus r2, then what you will get? If r1 changes to r1 plus r2, you will get 1 1 0 1. Suppose this is another elementary matrix, suppose it is E1, this is E2. So E2 is again an elementary matrix. So I hope you got the idea of elementary matrix. ठीक है, एक बार हिंदी में फिर से बता देता हूं कि एक आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स है। आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स पर अगर आप एक बार कोई एलिमेंट्री ऑपरेशन लगाते हो तो जो आपको रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स मिलेगी उसको आप क्या बोलोगे, एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स। ठीक है, यहां तक कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी पॉसिबिलिटीज of elementary matrices of 2 cross 2 order. This is my next question. How many possibilities of elementary matrices of 2 cross 2 order? So how we can answer of this question? First of all, we know that elementary matrix of 2 cross 2 order we are going to get by applying single operation on identity matrix of 2 cross 2 order. So first of all we have to consider a identity matrix of 2 cross 2 order. So I have identity matrix of 2 cross 2 order 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix of 2 cross 2 order. Now suppose I am applying this operation, R1 changes to k times R1, then corresponding to this what you will get? You will get k 0 0 1, and suppose I am calling it E1. Of course here k should be non-zero, so this E1 is one elementary matrix corresponding to this identity matrix of 2 cross 2 order. Now again what I am going to do, I am applying another elementary operation of same kind, k times R2. Then what you will get? You will get 1 0, sorry, let me erase this. Yeah, you will get 1 0 0 k, and I'm calling it E2. Of course here k should be non-zero. Okay, now suppose I'm applying second elementary operation, that R1 changes to R1 plus k times R2. Then corresponding to this elementary operation what you will get? 1 k 0 1, and suppose it is E3. Here k can be 0, no problem. Or I am applying the same elementary operation on second row, R2 changes to R2 plus k times R1. Then what you will get? You will get 1 0, first row will be as it is, and second row I am changing like this, so it will be 0 k, and yes, of course here it will be 1, not 0, here it will be 1 k, and suppose it is E4. And the last elementary operation, suppose R1 changes to R2, R2 changes to R1. Then what you will get? You will get 0 1 1 0. Suppose it is E5. These are the possibilities of elementary matrices of 2 cross 2 order. हिंदी में एक बार बता देता हूं कि 2 cross 2 ऑर्डर की एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिसेस की कितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती है। तो आप 2 cross 2 ऑर्डर की कोई भी एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स लेके आओगे तो वो इन्हीं 5 फॉर्मेट में से मैच करने वाली है, इनसे बाहर नहीं जाएगा, क्योंकि मैंने सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज लिख दी हैं। ठीक है, क्योंकि यही 3 ऑपरेशंस है हमारे पास, फर्स्ट वन, सेकंड वन, थर्ड वन, तो इन्हीं 3 ऑपरेशंस को मैंने जितने तरीके से पॉसिबल हो सकता था सभी तरीके से अप्लाई कर दिया। एक बार फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन फर्स्ट रो पर, सेकंड ऑपरेशन सेकंड रो पर, सेकंड ऑपरेशन फर्स्ट रो पे, सेकंड ऑपरेशन सेकंड रो पे, और जो लास्ट ऑपरेशन है वो तो मतलब एक ही बार लगेगा क्योंकि 2 ही रो हैं यहाँ पर। तो दीज आर द ओनली 5 पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिसेस ऑफ 2 cross 2 order, right? Now the next question, come to the next question. Next question is, suppose you have an elementary matrix E1, another elementary matrix E2. Are you going to get again elementary matrix? Means I am asking the product of elementary matrices will be elementary matrix or not. So the answer for this question in general it is not true. In general it is not true. In general it is not true. If it is not true then we have to show with examples. Like ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि दो एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिसेस आपने ले रखी हैं, उनका प्रोडक्ट एलिमेंट्री हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पर मैं एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ, आप देख सकते हो. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल जिसमें मैं दो एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिसेस लूंगा और उनका प्रोडक्ट भी एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स होगा. सो वी कैन सी suppose I have one elementary matrix 1 1 0 1. It is a elementary matrix. Why? Because it is of this form E3. So that's why it is a elementary matrix of 2 cross 2 order. Generally I am working in 2 cross 2. You can work with 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 4. But working in 2 cross 2 it is easy, right? And suppose I have another elementary matrix 1 5 0 1. This is also an elementary matrix because it matches with the E3. You can apply this operation, you will get elementary matrix. And if you multiply these two elementary matrices, what you will get actually? 1, after that 5 plus 1, you will get 6, and it will be 0 and 1. So you can check out, it is again a elementary matrix. Right? Now I'm going to show another example in which I will take one elementary matrix, another elementary matrix, but their product will be not elementary matrix again. So we can see, suppose I have an elementary matrix, this one 1 1 0 1. Another elementary matrix I have 0 1 1 0. It is an elementary matrix. You can cross verify. It is matching with E5, right? So if you multiply, what you will get actually? You are going to get 1 1 1 0. Now this element, this is not an elementary matrix because it is not going to match with any of these format E1 E2 E3 E4 E5, because these are the possibilities of elementary matrices of 2 cross 2 order. So here I can say that which is not a elementary matrix, which is not an elementary matrix. So in general I can say that the product of two elementary matrices may be elementary matrix, may not be elementary matrix. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe my channel and share to your all friends. Even if you have any doubt, please tell me in comment section. Okay, so thank you.